DIY home security, protecting your home on a budget. When it comes to protecting your home, security systems can be expensive. However, there are several affordable ways to safeguard your home on a budget. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can make your home less attractive to intruders and feel more secure without breaking the bank. In this article, we will discuss some DIY home security tips that can help protect your home on a budget. Install a deadbolt. Installing a deadbolt is one of the most cost-effective ways to secure your home. Deadbolts are a type of lock that cannot be easily manipulated or picked. They provide an additional layer of security to your door and make it more difficult for intruders to break in. Deadbolts are relatively inexpensive and can be installed easily with a few basic tools. Secure your windows. Windows are another entry point for intruders. Make sure all of your windows have locks, and if they don't, consider adding them. You can also install window alarms, which will sound an alert if someone tries to open the window. Another option is to install window film, which can make it more difficult for someone to break the glass and gain entry into your home. Install motion sensor lights. Motion sensor lights are an effective way to deter intruders. They detect movement and turn on automatically, illuminating the area and making it more difficult for someone to approach your home undetected. They are also relatively inexpensive and easy to install. You can place them near entry points or in areas where you want to increase visibility. Use smart home technology. Smart home technology is becoming more affordable and accessible. You can use it to monitor your home remotely and receive alerts if there is any unusual activity. You can also use it to control your lights and appliances, making it look like someone is home even when you're away. Some smart home security systems can also integrate with other devices, such as cameras and door locks, to provide even more security. Keep your yard clean and tidy. An unkempt yard can make it look like no one is home, making it a more attractive target for intruders. Keep your yard clean and tidy, and make sure any bushes or trees are trimmed back so they don't provide cover for someone to hide behind. You can also consider planting thorny bushes or installing a fence to make it more difficult for someone to enter your property. Join a neighborhood watch. Joining a neighborhood watch can provide an extra layer of security for your home. Neighborhood watches are groups of neighbors who work together to keep an eye on each other's homes and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. They can also provide tips and advice on how to make your home more secure. Get a dog. Dogs are not only great companions, but they can also be effective deterrents for intruders. Even a small dog can make a lot of noise and alert you to any unusual activity. If you're considering getting a dog for security purposes, be sure to choose a breed that is known for its protective instincts. In conclusion, protecting your home doesn't have to be expensive. There are several affordable DIY home security tips that you can implement to safeguard your home on a budget. By installing deadbolts, securing your windows, using motion sensor lights, utilizing smart home technology, keeping your yard clean and tidy, joining a neighborhood watch, and getting a dog, you can make your home less attractive to intruders and feel more secure. Remember that no security system is foolproof, but by taking these steps, you can make it more difficult for someone to break in and increase the likelihood of deterring them altogether.